Yo, make sure you got your paperwork straight. I got Mickey the Truth.
Let's get one thing clear. This your girl, Mickey Truth. South Carolina, 803 to be exact. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Mickey Truth, aka the Queen of Paperwork, and I am back with another video. As always, all information contained in this video is for entertainment, educational purposes only. All information used in this video is per the Fair Use Act, and any conclusion that you draw is on you, not me. So,
the loudest is the weakest. Give a fuck about what they scream.
What's up, Truth Team? So, hey, listen, y'all know one thing about DA Love, she definitely be stretching the truth, okay? Luckily, her last name ain't Truth. But nevertheless, okay, that's just my opinion, by the way. So, the issue is this PowerPoint. Y'all know I even spoke about it. I've dropped some videos in regards to saying I don't think it needs to be entered, okay? And if you don't know what I'm talking about, check this out.
Miss Love, you were, I think, the one that was maybe taking the lead on the PowerPoint issue.
Now, Truth Team, I never claimed to be the brightest crown in the box. But is that PowerPoint? This PowerPoint?
No. We're excluding that. And I'm going to exclude the PowerPoint.
Now, y'all know I ain't no lawyer at all, okay? But once evidence is excluded, you can't bring it back in a different way, right? Once evidence is thrown out, it's out. Maybe I'm tripping. Y'all let me know. Am I right? Or is Love right? Check it out.
And I know you haven't filed a written response yet, but can you just kind of provide us with what your position is on that? And maybe we can make it, we, as in I, can make a decision on that issue.
So, Judge, what I said yesterday and what I was asking the court was the need for the time to locate within the videos of those proceedings the period that we addressed the PowerPoint. So I had received just some of the transcript of one of the days that we addressed it. And I think that we were addressing the PowerPoint in the context of other objections, maybe that there had been mounted to another witness's testimony. I think it may have been D'Angelo White. So the judge at that point had sort of responded to, it may have been commentary by Mr. Sharp regarding reviewing some evidence the night before. I may have these dates and these times sort of conflated with one another, but I believe that when he brought up the PowerPoint, we had not yet argued it or talked about it. And my memory is that I said to the court that we weren't intending to introduce that PowerPoint through this, and as I was walking away, I think I said something like through this witness or at this time or today or something qualifying assertion that we weren't intending to introduce.
Okay, but no, basically, if your position is we think that it is admissible, what I'm asking for you to do now is tell me why you believe it's admissible, and I'll just make the decision. Okay, can you do that?
I really don't know about that, right? Because, right, in Love's defense, no defense attorney said anything. Brian Steele, the attorney for Young Thug, said, hey, I'm willing to argue slide for slides. I'm like, well, you shouldn't have to argue about excluded evidence, right? Then I'm like, okay. Matt Short, the attorney for Shannon Stillwell was in the courtroom. He didn't say nothing, and he was the one that raised the concern prior. So I'm like, well, maybe you can exclude evidence for one witness and bring it back in. Maybe. Because I just don't see these top-of-the-line lawyers missing this. And again, I'm not a lawyer. So I'm just like, that, they don't do that on, first 48. After the first 48, Law and Order. So, maybe I watch too much TV. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Now, this is the thing that's kind of interesting. It's kind of interesting. When this argument took place in front of Judge Glenville, it went a little something like this.
With Mr. Sharp,
Your Honor,
madam.
we did have discussion.
When?
Well, this morning. When you brought-
That's too late. The evidence is excluded. The evidence is excluded. I'm going to exclude because I told you that this was going to happen.
Because we reached out to them.
No. We're excluding that,
Your Honor.
and I'm going to exclude the PowerPoint that you all submitted. Well, you're not going to wholesale introduce it.
We had no intention. Your Honor,
All right.
let's be real clear. We did not intend to introduce this PowerPoint today. We did not intend to introduce this PowerPoint today.
So I will say this. You do hear DA Love said, we're not planning on introducing the PowerPoint today. Okay? But my question is still, the judge excluded said PowerPoint. So was that just excluded for that day, the next day, 2 days? I don't know. Let's continue.
I personally reached out via telephone and called at least 2 members of the defense team and asked them to call me back. And I would like
But you all should not be identifying this stuff the moment of trial while the jury's sitting in a box. This is the last. I am not going to tolerate this any further. If you don't get together with your colleagues and flag issues and resolve them promptly, and if I have to take them up, remember, I can exclude them. We'll work the weekends, or we'll do a combination of both. So this time, I'm going to exclude those 2 sections.
Your Honor, Mr. Atkins, he confronted this witness with those sections. I last week let them know that we were introducing that.
If the exhibit's not ready and you haven't made, and you, no, well, Mr. Sharp's got objections to it.
But Judge, Mr. Sharp can get in and have our evidence excluded every day that he makes an objection
No.
at midnight, and then comes in and says.
Well, then you all should have gotten your stuff together before then. Some of our juries, please. Some of our juries. Have a seat, madam. Have a seat. You better exclude that, and next time, make sure you're prepared.
Sheesh. Shawty got an attitude on her. Now, I will say, by the way, DA Love was being combative. This PowerPoint is very important to their case. Hence the reason why they said, hey, the police use this to bring the case to the DA's office. This is their case, this PowerPoint. Now, with that being said, though, Love, like, what's up? Because you said you recall it a little differently. But, again, does excluded mean just for, yeah, I add that T to it. I heard it at the last name. But anyway, does that mean just for that moment? Or is excluded forever as far as the trial is concerned? And why didn't the defense attorney say anything? That kind of got me a little stand back. It's like, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe excluded mean for that witness. I don't know. But we'll find out. Hell, tomorrow, next week. But I'm going to be honest. DA Love, a.k.a. here on the Truth Team, Lying Love, be a little shaky. Be a little wishy-washy. She pulling a little woody, like she do a little truth, a little lie, a little mix. I don't know. That's just my opinion, though. You make your own and let me know what it is in the comment. I'm out. And like I said throughout the video, that's my opinion. And if you don't like it, guess what?
I'm like, fuck, yeah.
Hold on, wait, before I go, y'all make sure y'all tap in with me to book your slot. A lot of y'all be hitting me up on Instagram and the email wanting to just talk about content, whether you're an up-and-coming content creator or somebody just got questions about cases or whatever. Book your consultation with me now. The information is on the screen. Hey, make sure you get your slot, because my slots be filling up fast.
All this is the weakest. Give a fuck about what they scream.
Holla!
Shout out Mickey. Mickey, you gonna be big. Like,
Yeah,
I'm
I'm trying to conquer the world. Coming from where I come from. They down